Hi and welcome to the Inovativ booth at NAB 2023. My name is Kaitlin McNaughton. I'm our marketing director and we're excited to be at NAB this year. It's our first time back since the pandemic. We're unveiling a lot of new products and introducing our new branding. I'm going to hand it over to Dave to talk about the company and some of the products that we're showing this year.
Yeah, hi, thanks very much, Kaitlin. Welcome to Inovativ. Here we are, NAB 23. It's great to be back. Been a really busy show for us, so why are you coming to see us? What is it about us? How do we get going in this business? It's all about workflow for us. We started off about 11 years ago. Our founder and CEO, Pat Blewett, he worked on set and realized that the types of solutions for him for a cart that were available were just not adequate. They didn't do what he needed them to do. So typical of many people in our industry, he built his own and started bringing it onto set, and before you know it, people wanted to buy it. And next thing is, a company is born. It was never about one single product for us. It's always been about more than that and building an entire ecosystem so that we can bring a workflow value to you. Basically, we have a company ethos that says it has to be 10 times better than an existing product or it's not worth doing for us. And that's what we've lived by the whole time, and our company's grown immensely through time. We now have not just one product, but we've got a family of 5 different types of workstation carts. And now this year, here we are at NAB introducing our new motorized unit. It's incredible. We're the first in the industry to do that. We're also introducing more opportunities for you to bring your products from your office situation, working at home, out on the road with you, popping them onto the cart. We have a full range of accessories from camera mounts, tripod mounts, stand hangers, all kinds of things for ACs or camera operators. And we also have full DIT packages as well with monitor mounting solutions, cable hooks, and you name it. We even have a rack mount kit for Mac Pro. Everything you can think of. We are the one-stop shop for your workflow solutions. So fresh for 2023 at NAB, we have our Apollo workstation, but there's no ordinary Apollo workstation. This Apollo workstation's motorized. Yep, we feature a 48-volt e-bike style battery that's inside, and it'll drive this baby for 40 miles. 40 miles, that really means a week without having to charge the battery. That's really quite incredible. This has really been made around for people who are taking heavy loads and really helping you to push those around. The workstation itself was built to handle up to 1,200 pounds. That's okay. The workstation can handle. I can almost guarantee that an individual won't be able to handle that 1,200 pounds, but this guy's going to be able to do it. So we feature the power control right here on the hand grip. It's nice and handy for you. There's a forward and reverse button, and then you just squeeze down here nice and gently, and look, it takes off really easily. It's not like pressing down on an e-bike, if you've ever driven on one of those, and it jumps forward. This just nice, easy, gentle takeoff, and there's absolutely no effort whatsoever involved in pulling this. I've got well over 200 pounds on this cart right now, and I'm just steering it with my pinky. Quite incredible. So the more pressure you place on this, the quicker the motor picks up, and off we go running.
And does it have a safety if you let go, it shuts off?
Yeah.
Oh, and it does forward and reverse?
Forward and reverse.
Okay.
So how do we charge this? We come round to this end of the cart, and what we'll see down on the underside here is we have our power plate design down here. We're bringing the power in here, and this is going to charge your batteries, and simultaneously you're pulling the power out of here to power any of your devices. We've included some nice USB that are handy for you as well. Okay, so a full charge from flat to charged is going to take about 6 hours, and then it's going to last you about 6 days. I think that's a pretty good ratio we've come up with here. Future things still to be that we're going to develop in here would be also to have a battery backup that would be hot swappable, so that you could be completely self-powered when you're, off grid. So the Apollo workstation also features a really handy fold-down top tray lid for you. Obviously, the point of this being for use with keyboards. You know, any surface that has a four-sided tray and has your wrists hitting along the top, it's a pretty quick route to carpal tunnel syndrome. So we really want to help you out, give you a nice space here for your hands to go at. It's held at a nice, very comfortable working height. It's around 42 inches. And then we also feature our premium Evo wheel system on this workstation down here. It has a foot brake that actually works. That's pretty novel in some carts. Most of these inexpensive models, brake was designed to actually work and really stop the cart in its tracks. 50 pounds of pressure in your tire will maintain perfect pressure on the foot brake. And once it's done and pushed down, I'm pushing as hard as I can, and this guy isn't going anywhere. Okay, so for those of you who need rack-mounted equipment and a vertical solution, this is our Deply. Refreshed in January of this year, Deply features 16 rack units and a nice fold-up lip to extend the top shelf out to 24 inches. Monitor mounting options, of course, are available. This Insight system is available for a dual monitor kind of setup. Nice load handles on the front to just help maneuver around, just hanging things off as well. Of course, the Inovativ wheel and foot brake system. This is our Axis system. Our Axis system is built off something that every studio has. It's a stand. It can be, this stand happens to be our stand, which is of course optimized for the best performance with this system. But any stand with a 1-inch tube and a 12-inch lower strap can accept these wheels. There's various configurations we offer for this. It's the most modular system we have, and it's the easiest entry into an Inovativ system. You can buy it piece by piece, and this unit starts as low as $700. So top to bottom on this, let's look at the top. We've got our Pro Monitor mount. So we have a standard baby pin on the top, and this is our design of a monitor mount system. Of course, it's an Inovativ product. It's beefy, it's made to hold the heaviest monitors. 55 pounds is available to be on here. We also have popped on top here a nice handy 3/8/16 thread, so you can mount a Teradek or any kind of transceivers, etc. that you need to have. New for this year is our VESA mount handle, also offering more 3/8/16 1/4-20 threads. We really try to make it easy for you. Moving down the Axis stand, we see cable management clips here and here and here for the 3 different sizes of the tube. Keeps everything nice and neat and trim, extra important for that workflow. Lower down on the stand, we feature hanger pins here, making it quick and easy to hang this on the side of your cart. Lower down, we have a feature here to be able to level up the stand if you need. Some people call it a Rocky Mountain leg. And then again, always recommended by us for these kind of setups, our weight bag and weight hanger. Just helps stabilize everything for you. This is our Axis system. So let's roll this heavyweight out of here and roll in the travel-friendly lightweight version. So this is our Voyager Evo model. Voyager, as you might get from the name, is all about travel. So our design philosophy in this product was to make it lighter weight and fast to set up and break down for all those travel situations. So whether you're flying by air, traveling in your small car, anything, believe it or not, we can fit in this inside a Mini and actually even inside a Fiat 500. Once you get to your location, of course, you need to set it up or break it down. Of course, we're set up at the moment, but let me show you a couple of features about this Voyager that really make it what we're talking about and why it's so travel friendly. As you saw before, The wheel systems are mounted onto this dovetail, so we can remove them. As we all know, time is money, and we're looking to save you time at every possible point. So we went ahead and we engraved on here the positions of the wheels as well. So when you bring them out, you know exactly where to put them on. As with all Inovativ products, it's a completely tool-free design. This means that no fussing, no having to carry anything else. As soon as you arrive at your location, you can pop this together quickly and simply. In fact, the best operators, the people who do it most often, they can do it in under 30 seconds. Honestly, I'm not quite that fast, but comfortably under a minute for me. I would say the first time you do it, maybe two minutes. From there on, you're going to be around the same as me, around about 1 minute to assemble this up or break it down. Let me show you how. Okay, so the top shelf is held on with 4 pins at the top of each leg post stanchion, and very easily removed. Come to the other side, we repeat that again. Now we can just lift that top tray right off there. Now these stanchion posts are on a hinge system here, so they're ready to fold down and fold up straight away. There's a pull knob that allows you to release the catch and fold them down. And then I'm going to lay it down, I'm going to rotate the handles.
Yep, I'll get that. And we'll do the other side.
Now at this point, we would pack the wheels into the wheel bags and place them inside. For speed, I'm not going to do that, but let's just assume they're all in there, and I'll show you how the top tray goes on that would enclose the wheels inside. These handy pack latches just connect in to keep the lid nice and tight on there, and they also give you opportunity to use this as a cable pass through or tie down for keeping it nice and secure. So once you're all packaged up, this is the finished travel size. We also have an optional travel case for it, which gives you nice clear space to put your identifying labels in here. Also some small pockets for other additional items. The skate wheels and the handle make it so easy to walk through that nice smooth airport floor. And we couldn't let you leave our booth without seeing this, our Echo. This is where it all started. This was the first design that our founder, Pat, came up with. Of course, it's been modernized a little bit since those times, but it's still one of our most popular units. And why is it so popular? Well, it comes complete with the top and bottom drawer. The wheel systems are, of course, our premium wheel systems, but they're fixed in this case. They don't come off here. This unit comes complete with the top and bottom drawer included. Plenty of space to store anything that you may need. Nice soft closes, also have combination locks. The wheel system, of course, it's our premium Evo wheels and bearings. In this occasion, they're non-removable. They are bolted on here to give that sturdiness, that additional, real solid feeling for traveling within a campus location. Again, you're not going to want to really go travel with this by plane. Just isn't going to work for that. Perfect cart for a DIT. Keyboard top tray. It's always this way for you. Monitors are mounted to the stanchion posts on the back, and obviously we also have laptop options for being able to mount off to the side. And once mounting off to the side, keeps this work surface nice and free for you. Of course, you need as much work area as you can possibly get. Unique to the Echo and unique to Inovativ is this incredible hydraulic disc brake system. Rolling down a ramp off your truck with 1,000 pounds, you've got the added security of a nice, simple braking system. This cart's not going to get away from you. So coming over to this side, we can see in here the actual discs and the calipers that help stop. It's an absolutely terrific system. Like I said, completely unique. Thanks very much for visiting us at NAB 2023. It was my pleasure to show you around the booth and everything we've got. If I piqued your interest, come and check us out, www.inovativ.com.